Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Terra drone invests in Ukrainian firm and launches Terra A1 Interceptor drone for expanding global defense market. Terra Drone Corporation has announced a strategic investment in Ukraine-based Amazing Drones LLC and the joint launch of a new interceptor drone, Terra A1. The agreement was made through Terra Drone's subsidiary Terra Inspectioneering and includes a capital and business alliance. The partnership aims to expand operations in Ukraine and accelerate global business development. Terra Drone said it will combine its manufacturing expertise with operational knowledge gained in active combat environments. The company noted that recent conflicts have reshaped the economics of warfare. It said low-cost drones are increasingly being used to neutralize significantly more expensive weapons systems. Terra Drone said this trend is driving a shift towards countering low-cost threats with low-cost means. The company added that it formally entered the defense equipment market in March 2026 to support next-generation defense capabilities. Amazing Drones develops interceptor drones designed for rapid deployment in contested environments such as Ukraine. The company has built technical expertise in conditions involving electronic warfare and communication jamming. The new Terra A1 interceptor drone is designed as a lower-cost alternative to traditional interceptor missiles. It offers a range of 32 kilometers and a maximum speed of 300 kilometers per hour. The drone uses electric propulsion to reduce noise and heat signatures. With a flight time of approximately 15 minutes, it can conduct surveillance, detect targets and neutralize threats within a single mission. Terra Drone said it plans to expand development and supply of unmanned systems, including interceptor drones, FPV first-person view drones, reconnaissance drones and unmanned surface vessels. The company aims to support international defense demand through partnerships in Japan, Europe and the United States. The company views the defense sector as a driver of technological innovation and economic growth. It said its strategy includes strengthening security capabilities while enabling civilian applications of advanced technologies. Toru Tokashige said, "The exchange of UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles seen in recent situations such as in the Middle East indicates that, in modern defense, securing defense drones that neutralize threats such as loitering munitions, suicide drones, is a top priority for the security of the international community. Seeking an effective solution to this challenge, I have personally visited wartime Ukraine numerous times to engage in repeated dialogue with local engineers and relevant authorities," he added. "In that process, I gained confidence in the superior development capabilities of Amazing Drones, its ability to rapidly incorporate feedback from harsh combat environments into their aircraft, and we have built a strong relationship of trust." Tokashige said the partnership combines operational and industrial strengths, merging the knowledge Amazing Drones has cultivated in actual combat with the mass production technology and quality control know-how possessed by Terra Drone is an extremely significant step toward building a next-generation defense foundation, he said. "Through this partnership, we will supply highly reliable solutions verified in combat environments to the world, contributing to the stability of the international community and strengthening deterrence," he added. Maxim Klimenko said the collaboration supports scaling production capabilities. "What began as a volunteer initiative by engineers and soldiers has now evolved into a manufacturing hub dedicated to defending our nation," he said. "Partnering with an international company like Terra Drone is an essential factor in elevating our operations from prototyping to reliable product supply," Klimenko added. "We look forward to Terra Drone's global reach under Mr. Tokashige's leadership and to advancing mass production together. I am confident that Terra Drone will be the pillar that brings our technology to the world," he said. "Through this partnership, we hope our innovations will help protect more lives." Terra Drone said it will continue to develop defense technologies and expand its global presence. The company added that the initiative is intended to contribute to international stability and security. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.